I'm Robin Higgins, and this is Basic Things a Chemistry Lab Student Should Know. All right, so hopefully if you're a new chemistry student and you're about to begin a lab class, your teacher should explain everything and down to every detail of what you should be doing, what you should know. But overall, there are a couple of things that it won't hurt to know going in. Number one, and this is definitely going to be hammered into you by wherever you're taking a lab class, is safety. So it's just especially important to know about chemistry safety because you can get hurt in a lot of ways that you wouldn't be able to in normal life. Like normal life, maybe you'd watch out for sharp objects, but you wouldn't be thinking about breathing in certain air and not breathing in other parts of air. But in chemistry, if you have something that's letting off fumes, it's really important to not breathe right into it. So the most important thing about safety is having the correct PPE, which is personal protection. And so this includes lab coat, goggles, and gloves. It also includes closed-toed shoes, and wearing pants. Although they always say that you could wear a skirt if it's floor length, but I've never seen anyone do that. All right, so that's the number one thing, is safety, and always go into the lab and really respect the PPE. And this is just important to, people like to kind of slack off and not do this stuff, but it's that 1 in a million chance where a glass shard flies into your eye. Like, why were you not wearing it? Like, it wasn't worth looking cool those other times to now have a glass shard in your eye. Or maybe it was. I guess that's up to you. You're probably going to get points off if you don't wear goggles. All right. So, safety, which is mostly PPE, and then just being careful. Listening to people. Specifically your instructor. All right. So, besides general safety, I think that the other thing that you should really know before you go into lab, although it doesn't matter if you know it or not, because you can learn it when you're in lab, is basic techniques. And so this just involves being able to pour things carefully, and reading measurements, and then just using really basic materials like a pipette. So, a pipette is a little bulb out here. You've got where it picks up water or whatever liquid. And so, to use it, you need to squeeze the bulb, insert into liquid, and then release the bulb. And so just little things like that. But once again, your lab instructor should tell you everything. So I hope you have fun in your lab course. Be safe. I'm Robin Higgins, and this is What Are Basic Things That a Beginning Laboratory Student Should Know?